Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tech Talk. Talk about connections here and brought to you by CSS. Today, I want to talk about AI matchmaking, bringing new life to events. It's not something new, but when you hear the word matchmaking, what do you think about? Most people think about blind dates, speed dating, and more commonly, Tinder. Some might be more formal and think about arranged marriage. That's not what we're talking about here. Matchmaking doesn't only apply to the dating world. It's something that is often used and greatly valued in the business world. So let's start with this. What is business matchmaking? Business, or B2B, matchmaking is used by companies and organizations around the world to help their network and create better networking events. Its goal is to help. However, B2B matchmaking isn't the same as networking. Networking is more casual and unstructured. And more often than not, networking is something that comes about naturally, hopefully at least. Meanwhile, business matchmaking is the exact opposite. Compared to regular networking, it is more structured and time efficient. So how does business matchmaking work? First, participants register for the event and set up their profiles. They indicate their field of expertise, interest, requests, or anything else relevant to their industry. So as event organizers, you take the details, add them to the pool, and give them a list of other confirmed participants, delegates, users. Before the event, they can browse through their profiles and find a fellow participant who seems like a prospective match. Or you can use AI for that. If they do find one, they can contact the organizers to arrange meetings and start communicating with them. Otherwise, the event organizers take care of manually setting up matches. It can be pretty cumbersome. They will set up the meetings and confirm them with both parties. By the time the actual event rolls around, you'll have a list of matches and pre-arranged meetings scheduled for all of your participants. Think about that. Buyers, suppliers, right? You want them matched. So when business matchmaking is used? Well, business matchmaking is a method used to identify and connect with like-minded people and businesses. It's commonly used in events specifically designed to help companies with similar interests or complementary services find each other, right? That's what we want. So think of examples like trade events, career events, hosted buyer and seller programs, startup, and of course, investor events. So how can artificial come into play? Artificial intelligence and how it works with B2B matchmaking. So before anything else, let's define artificial intelligence. AI is a term used to refer to machines or programs capable of learning and improving. Some would call it machine learning or AI or a mix of both. In the case of B2B matchmaking, we leverage AI to track meetings and participant information, find better business matches, and much more. AI integrates into the established process of the business matchmaking and makes it faster, more efficient, and automated. It works a bit like how Tinder or any other dating app does. The AI-powered software or tool takes care of gathering information, processing them, and matching those participants. So just like how dating apps match you with people in your area or with similar interest. There are also AI matchmaking programs that have more features, aside from finding appropriate matches. Some offer automatic event reminders, schedules, meeting rooms, and of course, live chat capabilities. So what are some of the benefits of AI matchmaking in events? Well, virtual and in-person events, right, business events, all have a common purpose: to tap into the potential attendees and expand business connections. Woo! AI matchmaking enhances all of that. Although AI matchmaking is a huge help for participants in finding the most suitable attendees to connect with, a larger chunk of the benefits of AI matchmaking lies on the side of the event organizer. So if the larger benefit lies with the organizer, what is it? So after all, anything that can boost automation and reduce the workload will always be an advantage for event planners, right? So let's take a closer look at the advantages of integrating AI-powered software with your event platforms. Number one, save time and money. So perhaps one of the biggest benefits of AI is, when organizing B2B matchmaking events, is how much time and money it can save you. It's just proven these days. So gone are the days when you and your team will have to manually go through each event attendee profile, catalog their goals and preferences, and find the best match. Instead, you can simply allow the AI software or tool to gather the information, process it, and make the matches. This allows you to plan events with fewer people or to delegate your team to do other tasks. So what's number 2? Improve data analysis and match recommendations. AI allows you to better process information they collect from event attendees. This includes analyzing attendees' goals, purpose, and preferences. By understanding what your attendees want much better, the AI can create better match recommendations. For example, a person who attended the event to find customers would be matched with someone interested in purchasing a product or enlisting a service that helps their company. So similarly, an attendee who is there to find employment wouldn't be matched with someone who is only looking for new leads, right? Number 3, gain better event analytics. So matchmaking using AI software ensures accurate data and more reliable data analytics. This not only helps in organizing the event, but with everything that comes afterwards. If one attendee didn't like the match they received, they can communicate their thoughts through the AI tool. This serves as a learning point for the software and allows it to adjust its metrics and improve. As an event organizer, this is key. The data you gather about the event and attendees goes a long way towards improving future events and offering better experiences. Accurate, more reliable data analytics, especially regarding attendee demographic data, target exhibitors, and even match success rates can help with that. Number 4, streamline logistics for participants. AI programs can help with managing event logistics for the participants. Tasks such as scheduling meetings, making appointments, and sending timely reminders are huge help for event planners. These tasks can now be left to participants themselves and the program. In some cases, the AI can also provide suggestions for more efficient meetings during the events, allowing attendees to maximize their time. Number 5, enhance efficiency in networking. Yes! AI B2B event matchmaking allows organizers to reach a wider audience while ensuring they continue to provide quality leads and connections. Moreover, AI learns and gets better and better after each event. Over time, it will only get better and more efficient with its suggested matches. So this continued improvement will help repeat event participants too. The more events they attend, the more familiar the program becomes with what they want and need. Number 6, generate greater interest and engagement. Using AI-powered matchmaking tools allows you to create better curated programs. These in turn help your event participants find better matches. More participants that are satisfied by their successful matches and higher quality business networks can help boost your reputation through word of mouth, reviews, and sponsorships. So having a reputation for helping businesses form better connections or networks will help you generate interest and enhance engagement. Additionally, using AI can still be seen as something of a novelty in B2B matchmaking. Intrigue and curiosity also contribute to generating interest, so increasing participant rates and improving event engagement. So let's end with this. Smart and efficient networking with AI. Bringing artificial intelligence, AI, into business event organizing is a natural step, considering how entrenched we are in the digital world. So if you're interested in delivering more engaging, efficient, and meaningful B2B event experiences, then it's time to take advantage of AI-powered solutions. Thank you for your time. For Tech Talk, talk about connections. We'll see you next time.